Alright guys, so today we're going to be opening a Blastoise V deck box. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so inside you'll find a exclusive Blastoise V promo card, a Blastoise V deck box with a pre-made 60 card deck inside, then you'll get a code card. Here you go. You'll get a lot of damage counters for the game if you play it. You'll get a placemat. You'll get the instructions of how to play. You'll get a placemat. Really big placemat. You'll get a card that shows you what you can do during your turn, and then you'll get a booklet that shows how to use all your cards. And that's what's inside of the V-Box. I hope you liked it, and like and subscribe.